On today's flight, enjoy the latest Hollywood blockbusters, the finest world cinema, or choose from a great selection of television, games, and music. When an unsuccessful musician wakes from an accident to discover the Beatles never existed and he's the only person who remembers the band's songs, he passes them off as his own. Yesterday is a collaboration between Richard Curtis and Danny Boyle.
Did you write that?
I didn't write it. Paul McCartney wrote it. The Beatles.
Who?
The Chaperone explores the life of spirited silent screen sensation Louise Brooks, who left her home in Kansas and abandoned the rulebook to pursue fame and fortune. After being attacked in the street, Casey enlists in a local dojo, led by a charismatic and mysterious sensei. The art of self-defense balances off-kilter humor with an unexpectedly thriller-esque undercurrent.
Karate's a way of communicating.
Ask me a question. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to rent a film to watch in the comfort of my own home.
Fresh out of prison, a woman takes a job as a cleaner in order to support her 2 young children while pursuing her dream of becoming a country music star, Wild Rose.
You're going to be the next Dolly Parton!
Returned to Earth by the judge, the 4 humans must seek redemption and prove that they really are worthy of being given a second chance. We've season 3 of The Good Place.
I need someone to help guide me. Will you help me become a good person?
Pavarotti explores the life and career of famed opera tenor Luciano Pavarotti through never-seen-before footage and concert performances. Directed by 2-time Oscar winner Ron Howard.
Can you be sure you'll hit the note?
No, that is the beauty of my profession.
The Biggest Little Farm is the inspiring documentary about a Los Angeles couple's dreams and struggles to start a family-run farm.
Molly and John are very happy about this.
What do you think of this, Todd?
Enjoy all the action from Switzerland as the world's best free riders from 24 different nations compete in World of Free Sports Engadin Snow 2019. Check out our full range of classics, more of your favorites, and let Swiss entertain you.